welcome back to my channel. Today I am joined with my grandmother here.
Hi guys.
State your name.
Oh, it's Monica Rawson.
Today we are doing the switching makeup routine. So she has my entire makeup routine and I am doing her entire makeup routine. Right now I'm going to show you guys all the makeup I gave her and the makeup she gave me. So this is everything I gave her and here is everything she gave me. Now this is not necessarily everything I use on a daily basis, obviously. I gave her a lot of options and she gave me some options in lips. I could tell she got a couple of those. I kind of gave her some different palettes to experiment with her look. If she wants to change it up a little, add some color in there. So to start, we're going to do primer.
Okay.
Do you know what that is in here?
Nope.
And then picking up the Beauty Blender.
Which is this?
Yes.
Okay.
And then you're just going to tap it in and put it everywhere on your face. Now, do you have primer you use?
No, I do not.
So I get to skip that step.
Okay, step one done.
Well, first, do you want your skin to be more glowy or do you want it to be more matte?
I'd like it to be glowy today.
Okay, glowy. So what we're going to do is take one of these. I have the NYX Born to Glow Illuminator or the Cover FX. Now, I put this on when I do my primer, so it's like a base underlying glow. So pick which one you want of those.
I'm going to try this one.
Okay. So you're going to screw the top.
Do the same routine about putting it in the back?
Yeah, but you're going to do a tiny bit of it, like a little less. Now you can do this step later, guys. I just do it in my primer to have my whole face more of a glow touch. So now foundation. These two are very full coverage, and then this Makeup Forever is more of a lighter tint of skin.
I like the full coverage.
Okay.
So I'm going to take this one.
She used the Dior. Fancy. No, you have foundation, right? Okay.
Yes, I do.
So she uses the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover in shade 302. Do you use a brush or just your hands?
Just my hands.
I'll go right in. It's right here. I don't think I've ever used this foundation. Have you used that foundation before?
No, I've never used this foundation.
we are
You don't
testing
buy
it.
your makeup at CVS. That's why.
I used to. I buy sometimes at CVS. Okay, so when I finish this, your next step is concealer. This Too Faced, which is a stick.
I think I'm going to use the stick today.
You're going to use the stick, and what you're going to do is highlight under your eyes or cover any imperfections you may have. So me, if I have any pimples or dark spots, I'll just put it on that. Mainly for you, I think you just want to put it under your eyes, bridge of your nose, in the center, and then under your chin a little.
Okay, under my eyes.
Yeah.
Why would you put it under your chin?
So you want to put it anywhere. It's kind of like a highlighter too, like a concealer. So when I'm not doing like a very carved out with cream concealers, I'll do it with that. It just highlights your face more.
Okay,
So,
I pat it in with this?
yeah, use a Beauty Blender. So I put it on my chin because I want my chin to be more, the center of my chin to like be one of my highlighted points on my face. And then if I do like go in with a darker or cream contour when I do that, I'll do it around my chin, not on the highlighting place to carve it out more. I'm gonna take my time with this foundation because I don't have a lot of steps, so I can.
I'm done already.
Oh, so you're beating me, okay. So your next step is going to be setting powder. Now for setting powder, we have the Kat Von D Lock It In setting powder. You put it under your eyes, and then on your like anywhere you feel like your makeup may crease throughout the day. So like I do my smile lines, and then my forehead. You don't really have to do your forehead because it's covered, but it helps. This is what like sets your makeup in place to stay on throughout the entire day.
Now we've done about 4 steps more than I usually do.
Yeah, it's doing great. I've been talking, I forget where I put my foundation on. Just gonna rub it in. Are you done with that?
Yeah, can I put it back in here?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
So next, we are going to move on to, let's do eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
So for eyebrows, what I usually use recently is the Benefit Eyebrows products.
Well, since I don't use anything right now, I think I would like just to have it in place.
So
So
she's
what I'm doing
using-
is brushing it.
Brush it how you want your brows to lay, to like sit down on your eyes
Okay.
or your face. next step is eyes.
Since I don't use these products either, we'll do one single
Just a colorful shade. Okay, so first step with your eyeshadow is primer. Now I use the
Primer for eyeshadow?
Yeah, so
Okay.
primer is like your primer for your skin, but just for your eyes. So give me your finger. You just want to split that between the two of your eyes, put it on the entire lid. She doesn't have any eye products, so
No, so you can skip that part
I'll
too.
just put some powder on my eyeballs.
Okay.
Okay, so
This is my dog, Charlie.
Charlie. She was in one of my other videos too.
Oh,
Next step, you're going to grab that Pastel Goth palette from Kat Von D and look at it and tell me the color you want.
oh wow.
How you think?
I want the purple.
The purple?
Mhm.
Okay. You're just going to take this brush, dip it in the shade Meow. Or are you doing Meow or Dope?
Meow. This one.
Okay.
Dope.
And then what you're going to do is place it on your eyes and then just do circular motions around your whole...
Circular motion.
Circular motions
Going
around...
in or out.
Doesn't really matter.
Okay.
You know how when I do colorful, it kind of comes up around here?
Mm-hmm.
You kind of want to work it all the way up there.
Do I put more on it?
Yeah, you can put as much as you want on it.
Okay.
Okay. You want to add more color or you want that to be it?
Should I add more color?
You don't have to. What do you want?
I want more color.
Okay, let's add some more color.
Okay.
Okay. Let me see. That looks good. Nice color. Here, let me. What I'm going to do is close your eyes real quick. I'm just going to pack some on your lid. Turn your head. You did a nice job of getting it on the outer, but when you did it, you just didn't get any on your lid. Okay.
Oh, that's better.
So our next step is going to be taking all the setting powder away, so it's like our powder, which I have a step for powder too.
I sometimes use that on special occasions.
Oh, fancy. Today's special. So for that, you're going to take this MAC powder right here,
Okay.
and then you're going to be taking this brush, and then you're just going to brush that on your entire face.
Wow.
Oh, I have that stuff.
There's
she
a little
uses this-
I use that little thing that comes with the product when you buy it at this CVS.
Great. Ooh, there's even a little mirror in it. Okay.
Yeah, see?
Super nice.
Only the best.
Oh, I bet. I can tell. So next step for you is going to be bronzer.
Another layer?
Yes.
Well,
Bronzer is this.
Okay.
And then this is your brush.
Okay. The same thing?
Spin it around, but what you're going to do is you like bronze your areas that you want to be a little darker. So it's like, oh, you were just kind of lightly sun-kissed and tan. So I put it on my cheekbone areas.
Okay.
And then some on my forehead, which you don't have to put because it's already
Right.
dark there. And then
It's already
no,
dark
it's
there.
already dark. It's already covered.
Okay.
Whatever. So mainly I would just do your cheekbones. You could do like your chin or your nose area. You don't have to. Just like put it anywhere you really want your skin to be a little bit darker and a little bit more tan in colors. Gotta finish putting my powder on.
There's a lot of stuff here. Okay.
Oh gosh, you're already on to the next step. Okay. Next, we are going to.
I guess I'm a little faster than
Do you want to
are.
carve? I bet. I bet. Do you want to carve your face out a little more, or do you like how it's at now?
Carve my face.
So
out.
like
Well,
taking some more dark.
let's
colors.
carve it out a little bit.
Oh, let's carve it out. Let's carve it out. I'm gonna be taking this Cocoa Contour.
How long does this take you? Okay, now we need a special brush for this too also?
Yes. So you can either use dark cocoa or medium cocoa.
I'm going to do medium cocoa.
Okay.
This one.
Tap it in there, and do this face, and you carve your cheekbones. So
I
like,
just put stuff on my cheekbones.
yeah, but this carves it out even more. No, you want to go kind of like here. Let me show you. you go like this, but circular motions going down like that. I have so many more steps I need to catch up. Like 5 steps behind.
That could be a little bit too dark.
Let me see. No, it doesn't look too dark. You just gotta put a little more darker on that side. I'm done with powder,
Wow.
so you know.
Okay.
Blush. I gave you one blush because I don't wear blush a lot. This is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Party. It's 3 A's. Here, I'll have that
Is this
out.
powder or cream?
It's powder. Tap it out a little bit before you do. Oh, great at tapping.
See how fast I learned how to do that?
Wow.
Okay.
And
Where do I
then
put this?
Cheekbones. So like smile. You put on cheekbones and you circular motions up. And then also I hit my nose with it to add a little color onto my nose.
I look like a dead person.
You don't look like a dead. No, you don't.
I mean, like, you know how they make you up at a funeral?
Yeah, you.
Or wake?
Next, we're going to do some highlighter. This is the Jeffree Star Ice Cold Skin Frost, and it's more of a glitter highlighter.
I want a glitter highlighter.
Glitter? Okay. This brush, this is a fan brush. You're going to tap it in there and then put it above the blush. So like right here.
Oh. Ooh.
No, not on your eyes. Right over here.
Oh.
Yeah. Brush it up.
Okay. Do I have enough on?
Yeah, it's good. It's not the time you're working. Eyeliner. So
I have never put on eyeliner in my entire life. So this
okay,
is going to be
well,
fun.
what you're going to want to do is we're just going to do one single line on your eyelid. So you're going to, can you close one eye at a time? You're just going to do one thin line.
60-60 shake too much for this.
It's all about trying new things out. See, that doesn't look horrible. You got a line.
Yeah, I have a line, all right. Okay. It's just not where it's supposed to be. That's a thicker line. Okay.
Now, next for
Oh, God.
next for mascara, we have 3 options. I have a colorful one if you want your eyes to be popping and colorful. And then I just have black ones.
Well, since I want to show off the eyeliner, I'll use...
Oh, you want to do... Okay,
Yes.
so she's using the NYX Color Mascara in blue. Oh, she has mascara too. She has the Voluminous Million Lashes. This, I think this is by Maybelline. Let me check. No, this is L'Oreal. I used to use this actually. Fun fact.
Oh, really? I bought something decent?
Yeah, I used to use this.
That's only for special occasions also. Oh, that eyeliner thing. That's a bad thing.
It's not horrible. You just like kind of messed up a tiny bit. You're good?
I hope so.
Yeah, no, that doesn't look bad. It looks pretty. You do have some in your hair though. Wrong hairs.
Okay.
And then next we're going to do lips.
I want the root beer float.
I use this one a lot. Now she's got 3 options for me. Which one do you want me to use? I'll use any of them.
Oh, use this one.
The Certainly Red
Yes.
from Revlon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
That's
girl.
right.
Well, do you even use this? It's like...
Well, I don't wear makeup a lot, so it doesn't get a lot of use.
Why are you staring at me?
I don't know. I don't want to...
You can talk to them. They're here to watch you too.
I can't talk to the camera.
Why
I just... It's,
You're not talking to the camera. You're talking to Megan.
Oh, well, yeah.
Mom, say
Hi,
hi,
family.
Megan.
I
Hey,
hope you're the only
Megan.
ones that
What's
see
up?
this. I have to admit, everything else is okay. It's just the eyes. Whoa. That's why I don't use that one. It's just so...
And it like
Out
doesn't
there.
it doesn't balance out with the eyes because you have like nothing on your eyes.
that's certainly something. If you want it, I can give it to you. You can
yeah,
have it.
I think I'll
Pass.
hard pass. This was us switching our makeup routines. In all honesty, I don't think she thought she would do well, but I don't think she did bad at all. She just messed up on like her eyes.
Yeah.
So I don't know what you had to worry about.
And well, it's just there's so much to do. How could you remember each step? And then the brushes. Each brush goes a certain
Yeah.
item.
Yeah.
Well, this was fun, Katie. It wasn't as scary as I thought.
No, it
so,
wasn't.
I appreciate it, and I hope somebody gets a smile out of this video. Then it would be all worth it. Bye.
No, you didn't do the ending.
Okay.
All right, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing us switch our makeup routines, and it gave you a smile, like she said. Gave us a good laugh. You make sure you guys like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow all my social media listed down below. I am Kate, and
I'm Monica.
I will see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.